Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Santanu. Today we are going to learn if two strings are anagram or not. So first we have to learn what is anagram. So let's see. Here in this example we have taken two strings AAB and BAA. If both the string contains same number of character and same number of times, then we can say that this is anagram. So let's see. In the first string we can see that A present two times and B present one time. If we check the second string, here also we can see that in this string A present two times and B present one times. So we can say that this is an anagram. We have taken another string A, B, A. In this string also we can see that here A present two times and B present one time. So we can say that this is also anagram. If we take another example, like one string is C, D, D and another string is CD. If we see this example, we can see that in this first string C and D is present and in the second string also C and D is present. So they are same character, but in this first string D present two times, but in the second string D present only one time. So we can say that this is not a anagram. So now we understood what anagram is. Now we will learn how to solve this question. We got an idea that if we keep track how many times the elements are present in the first string and how many times the element present in the second string, then if we compare them, if they are same, then we can say that it is an anagram. We have taken an array for storing the frequency of the character now. So in the first index, we will store the frequency of A. So here we are writing A. In the second place, we will store the frequency of B. In the third place, we are going to store the frequency of C. Like that only, we are going to store the frequency of all character. Now we will traverse the string and we will store the frequency in the array. If we traverse the first string, we can see that first character is A. So we will update the frequency of A in the array. So we will write here 1. Now the second character. The second character is also A. So again we are going to update the frequency of A. So it will be now 2. Now the third character. Third character is B. So we have to write here 1. Now we have to check the second string. For that, again we have to take an array. We have taken the second array and here also we will do the same process. So we will traverse the array. Here the first character is B. So we will update the value of B. It will be 1. Now the second value is A. So we will update the frequency of A. Again the third character is also A. So we will update. So now it is 2. Now if we compare these two array, we can see that here A is present 2 times, here also A is present 2 times, here B is present 1 time and here also B is present 1 time. So we can say that this is a anagram. Here one problem is there. We know that array index starts from 0, but here what we wrote? We wrote A, B, C, D, E, but it should be 0, 1, 2, like that. So how can we do that? We all know about ASCII. So what is the ASCII value of A? 65 and B 66, C 67 like that. So if we subtract 65 from all the ASCII value of this character, then we can get the index number. You can see that here ASCII value of A is 65 and I am telling to subtract the value 65 from every value. So if I subtract 65 from this, so it will return 0. What is the ASCII value of B? 66. Now if I minus 65 from here, it will return 1. Now C. What is the ASCII value of C? 67. If I subtract 65 from here, it will return 2. So now we can make a formula of getting the index number of every character. What we have to do? For that, we have to take the character's ASCII value first and we have to subtract 65 from that. So here I am writing the formula. For taking the character, there is one method is caret. So we are taking the characters first and we have to subtract 65 from it. Now we will do the coding. In the example, we have seen that we have to take two array for storing the frequency of the character. So we are going to take two array here. Now we are going to traverse the string A. For that we need for loop. Now this is the important step. We have to calculate the index number. So we are going to take the variable index. For taking the index, we have learned that we have to take the character first and we have to subtract 65 from that. We got the value of index. Now we have to update. For that, here of index plus plus. In the same way, we have to do for the second string also. Here also we have to calculate the index in the same way. First we have to take the character. Now we have to subtract 65 from it. Now we have to update the value. Traversing two strings are done. Now we have to check whether they contain same value or not. For that, again we have to write a loop. Here we can write anything, ar.length or br.length. If they are not containing the same value, then we have to return false. So otherwise we have to return true. Our coding part is done. Now we will compile. It's not showing any error, so we can submit. Submit also done. So we have learned what is anagram and how to find whether two strings are anagram or not. Thank you.